What's up, traveler?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony, and today we are going back to Japan! And this time, pupunta kami sa Fukuoka.
Yes, summer na summer in Fukuoka.
Pero bumabagyo din ko sa Pilipinas. Laban, sabi ng airline, tuloy!
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! And we're going to Japan! And this time we're going to Fukuoka.
Fukuoka! Let's go muna to the lounge!
Kain muna tayo!
Good morning, Chabibis. We're currently here at the lounge waiting for our flight. Boarding is around 2, 1. Malilate pa sa boarding. Around 1:20 pa. It's only 10:47 in the morning. Hopefully, hindi ma-cancel yung flight because of Typhoon Karina. Classes have been suspended already. Actually, third day na suspended yung classes. And may mga flights na canceled na rin, pero madami pa rin na hindi. So, feeling ko naman, go na to. Kasi nakikita ko naman lumilipad yung mga aeroplano from here. So, tara, samahan nyo kaming gumala sa aking birthday travel. Let's go! Thank you! So far, hindi naman delayed or canceled yung flight namin. Meron pa silang, 10 minutes ago pala yung boarding time. Pero hindi naman canceled and looks like the plane is already here. So, we're just waiting to board right now.
Ang tinanong lang sa immigration is kung kailan babalik. After natatakan yung passport ko. So, sobrang smooth lang nung process ng immigration. So, kayo matakot kasi kung tourist lang naman ang pakay nyo, wala magiging problema. Ulit-ulit namin yung sinasabi.
Sa akin tinanong kung saan ako nag-work. Pero yun lang. Tapos, tatak na. Then, let's go. Mabilis lang. Wala halos pila yung immigration today. So,
ngayon lang nangyari
super
yun.
happy. Mga 9 a.m. kami nag-start pumila. As for parking naman, nakapag-park kami dito sa airport parking. So, wala naman naging problema. Basta maaga lang. Well, actually, nagkaroon ng problema kasi umuulan. And the only parking that's available is dun sa open area. So, nagkaroon pa ng dilemma kung dadalhin ko yung golf umbrella ng kotse or hindi. Kasi syempre, ang hassle ko, i-check-in pa, tapos yung folding umbrella namin nasa loob na ng luggage, ganun. So, yun. Pero nasolusyon na naman.
Binalik niya sa kotse. So, ayun yung solusyon.
Binaba ko si Tony sa may covered area kasama ng mga luggage. Tapos pumunta ako sa parking. Yun na nga na umuulan. Tapos, nung medyo matagal na, bumaba ako, dala ko yung malaking umbrella, Pinuntahan ko siya, kinuha ko yung maliit na umbrella sa luggage, and then binalik ko yung malaking umbrella sa car. But all good. Ito na kami ngayon, waiting for boarding time. Our flight is now delayed for an hour, 30 minutes. So, wala pang announcement, wala pang crew dun sa harap. So, di talaga namin alam anong nangyayari, kailan kami makakaalis. And Manila has been declared a state of calamity. So, ingat kayo guys, we're praying for our families then and our workmates. Oh wow.
Naantala yung pagtulog ko kasi in-announce ng Cebu Pac na iba na yung boarding gate namin. So, from 1:03 to 1:05, yung pinakadulo.
So, we're waiting here. Sana nandyan na yung plane namin and sana makaboard na kami para makatulog na kami ng matiwasay. At least for the next 4 hours. Ayan, totoo na boarding na kami.
Finally!
At least 1 hour lang yung delay. And yun. Kaya lang nakalagay dun sa board namin Incheon. Sa Fukuoka kaya kami pupunta. Abangan!
Finally, after 1 hour, and we are boarding and we're going to Japan!
Yes, this time we're going to Fukuoka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Handa ka na ba sa init ng Fukuoka? Anong ginawa mo para maging handa?
Lahat ng damit ko manipis. Kung dati, puro winter clothes, ngayon, sobrang nipis.
Very good. That's a good idea. Good afternoon. And finally, nasa plane na kami.
And parang walang naman yung plane.
Saka maliit lang siya guys. Tatluhan lang. Parang bus lang. Hindi siya
talaga.
Hindi siya yung may gitna na tatlo pa.
Parang wala kaming katabi. So, yung unahan namin walang nakaupo.
So, nagpupuno pa ng plane. After nito, alis na kami. And then, we'll get back to you after 4 hours. So, malakas pa rin yung ulan. We're praying for those affected by the typhoon Karina.
Stay safe and stay dry, everyone.
A few moments later.
So, update. Cancel yung flight namin. Cancel yung flight namin. Kasi yung Fukuoka Airport pala hanggang 10 PM lang siya. So, kung lilipad kami ngayon, hindi kami aabot.
And yung delay dito sa Manila because of all the plane traffic and all that. So, hindi naaabot. So, bababa kami ng plane and then the ground staff would discuss to us kung ano yung options. So, hopefully tomorrow maka-fly kami kasi meron kaming mga binoksaklok na
reservation.
Yeah, reservation ng hotel, binoksaklok na mga activities, and you can also book our activities through Klook and use our promo code
Chub Explorers Klook.
Yes, don't forget may Klook na sa dulo yung Chub Explorers, but our old promo code you can still use that up to August 18. So anyway, ayun na nga, naisingit pa. But yun, so we're waiting for what's gonna happen next. We'll update you. Sama kayo dito sa adventure namin.
Pero hindi naman no hard feelings kasi talaga masama yung panahon.
Yeah.
So medyo nakakatakot din. So gawin na lang natin kung anong pwedeng gawin. Huwag sirain ang araw. Kasi birthday ni Chubby again.
Yes, happy pa din naman kami. So, tingnan na lang natin kung anong pwede natin gawin, kung anong i-offer ni Cebu Pacific.
Yes.
Let's go!
Tara na! Sakay na! Naging barko.
nasa arrivals kami on the same day.
Nang hindi umalis ng airport. So, departure, and then after 3 hours, arrival.
Grabe, 3 hours kami nakaupo dun sa plane. But, no hard feelings. Safety is important. So, we're just gonna find out ngayon what they're gonna offer. Pero, yung hotel lang namin in Japan kasi syempre nakabook na. But yung tours, okay pa naman kasi 28 pa siya. Pero, we looked at the flights. Wala silang flight bukas to Fukuoka. So, we don't know yet what we're gonna do. We'll update you
Later!
So, another update. Ang layo na ng nilakad namin pagbaba namin ng plane going to wherever we're supposed to go. Nakapag-CR pa si Tony ha. And then, nakita namin yung mga kasama namin sa plane. Naglalakad pabalik. So, apparently, hindi kami dapat dito dadaan sa normal na arrival process or what. May iba kaming dapat daanan sa ngayon.
And wala nagsabi sa amin.
Walang nagsabi. So, ngayon, everyone
niya kaming lumakad.
going back. Hindi pa rin kami galit. Nakakapagod lang. But, yeah. Let's see, at least diba may kwento kami sa inyo. So, parang ni-rewind namin yung ginawa namin. Kasi dito kami mismo umakyat ulit. So, pag kayo na-delay din na nasa plane na kayo, magtanong kayo kung sa arrivals kayo pinapapunta. Kasi hindi dapat. It's supposed to be the same route you took nung sumakay kayo ng plane. Ayan, so na-reverse talaga kami.
Due to the inclement weather here, we're not able to beat the runway closure in Fukuoka. So the flight was cancelled, but your next flight has been automatically moved. So it would depend on the next available flight.
So here's an update again. They want us to book our own flights going back. Going to Fukuoka, which is sobrang gulo. And we're not sure how they're gonna help us talaga. So kanina hindi pa mainit ulo namin, pero ngayon unti-unti na umiinit, guys. Update namin kayo ulit. Mukhang the plot thickens. Another update. So right now they want us to go through immigration to void our stamps and then go to arrival so we can get our check-in luggages, and then dun daw namin i-resolve yung issue. But the issue is there's no flight. They canceled our flight. So the resolution is to give us another flight. Pero yung flights na binigay nila, like mine, I checked ours, it's on the 28th. And we go home on the 29th. Paano na yun? Ang dami na naming yung hotel, yung tours. It's absurd. It's so absurd. So, hindi namin alam pa. Again, we'll update you. So, now nakadaan na kami sa immigration. They voided our stamp namin for today.
Yes.
And we're going to the carousel to get our baggage. So, hindi pa namin pa rin alam anong resolution ni Cebu Pacific.
Wala pa rin.
So far, they're standing their ground na it's due to the weather. So, eto na nga, Cebu Pacific really won't budge. They wouldn't give us anything aside from
Go to manage booking.
go to manage booking and a voucher for 7-Eleven. Hello! Magbabayad ako ng ramen for tonight. Huwag mo akong bigyan ng 7-Eleven. Anyway, so they're gonna refund yung papunta namin, but we're gonna use yung flight namin pabalik. And what we did is nagbook kami ng Jetstar one way. Also for tonight, around 12 midnight, 12:45. So, yun. We paid more, pero okay lang.
Para tuloy na lang.
Kasi mas marami kaming magagastos pag pinorfeit namin yung iba. So, okay na, push na additional 23,000 pesos for the both of us. But, you know, just to end the stress. And, yun. So, right now, tatry na namin. It's already 8:31 p.m. The flight is at 12:45. So, mag-check-in na kami for Jetstar and then immigration.
Dito tayo namin mag-lounge ulit.
Ano to, deja vu? Ano to, deja vu? Diba? Anyway, Yun. So, that's the update. That's our adventure for today. Oh my gosh, ang haba ng vlog namin for today because of this. Thank you, Cebu Pacific, ha? Thanks but no thanks. Anyway, we're gonna go. We're gonna check in again. Start our day again. Gusto niyo ba mag-intro ulit kami? What's up, travelers? Okay. We made it to Japan.
Pero, ang catch, nasa Nagoya kami. Wala kami sa Fukuoka.
So, ang plano Fukuoka. Pero nasa Nagoya kami. We will explain later and share with you our adventure. Good morning from Nagoya, Japan. It's 7:03 a.m. OMG!
We made it!
We're finally in Fukuoka. So, yung 4-hour flight namin, naging 20-hour travel. Para na kami nag-Amerika or nag-Canada. Sana nag-Canada na lang ako. Pinuntahan ko na yung sister ko.
Yung sister mo.
Oh my gosh. Pero nandito na kami. We're so happy. So, hindi na namin kayo i-walk through masyado sa airport kasi for sure, pag pumunta kayo dito, diretso naman kayong Fukuoka. We're at the domestic airport. Walang SIM card dito. We have to go to international to get the SIM, but we can withdraw na. Ayan yung ATM.
Ko, finally. We made it!
At so, mag-withdraw muna kami. Sobrang pagod na kami. So, mamaya na lang yung mga mas madaldal pang kwento, ha? Unang food namin, 7-Eleven finds onigiri and egg salad, silver cider. So sa 7-Eleven, wala silang SIM card. We need to go to international airport to get a SIM card or a Wi-Fi, rent a Wi-Fi. So, that's what we're doing now. Nasa shuttle kami ng airport. Going to international.
Wala nang pahinga. Gala na agad.
Had to get some card here. Unlimited data. So, dahil yung SIM card na binili ko sa Orange app, hindi gumagana. We had to buy SIM card here for 6,000 yen. Ayan. Pwede naman siya i-book sa Klook. I guess mas mura siya if you do that. And you can use our promo code Job Explorers Klook. Ayan. SIM card. This is unlimited data for 4 to 8 days. So, to get to our hotel, nag-purchase muna kami ng ticket dito. It's 310 each to get to Hakata Station. Magbabus. This bus ticket. And then, magta-train kami from there. Namin kaya malapit na kami mag-collapse.
30 hours na gising. Kasi we woke up at 4:30. So, kahapon, hanggang gayong gising pa kami.
So, nag-taxi na kami papunta sa hotel from Hakata Station. 670 yung flag down rate nila. Konti na lang. Konti. This is our room at Quintessa Hotel. So this is the entrance. Pagpasok, meron dyang pang deodorize ng room. Sorry, pinatong na namin yung gamit namin. But there's a kettle here. And coffee mugs, laundry bag. So yung mga coffee nasa baba. And then there's a small ref right here. Sana malamig siya. Mirror. Supitan ng mga damit. And then inside, actually bigger siya than yung mga ibang like Apa Hotel. There's a TV. Luggage rack there. This is a humidifier, I believe. Ayan. Tapos yan yung bed. And then sa tabi ng bed, may emergency light. Uy, parang chalkboard to ha. And then lights, may clock, and then light switch, tsaka may madaming sockets. At merong sitting area here. Ayan. Sa sitting area, pwede ka mag-work, pwede ka kumain. At may socket din. So, aside from the sockets, may USB. So, yan. Let's go to the banyo naman. Typical. Same banyo na... Ay! Nakatay ko yung ilaw. Ay! Walang bidet! That's weird. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, parang wala siyang bidet. Pero kompleto naman siya ng shampoo, body wash, hot and cold shower. Pero wala talagang... Ay, joke lang. Andito sa kabila ang bidet. Meron pala. Imposible. This is Japan Hotel. So, that's our room for you. This is Quintessa Hotel. And we booked this through Klook for... Di ko maalala magkano. Lalagay ko na lang dito sa baba kung magkano siya. And if you use our promo code
Job Explorers Club,
yes, you can get the discount when you book this through Klook. And we'll also put the link below.